What if I told you you could get all the bold and zesty flavors of an Italian grinder sandwich without all the bread weighing you down? Today, I'm going to show you how to take our deli favorite and turn it into a quick, easy, and flavorful salad. Hi, my name's Nancy. Welcome back to Nancy's Homestyle Kitchen, where I share how to cook real food with simple ingredients and no pressure to be perfect. Before we begin, let's review all the ingredients. As always, I will have all of the exact portion sizes listed in the description box below. For the salad, you need iceberg lettuce, Parmesan cheese, provolone, Genoa salami, cherry tomatoes, red onion, pepperoncinis, black olives, garbanzo beans, and croutons. And for the dressing, you need mayonnaise, olive oil, red wine vinegar, salt, the juice from the pepperoncinis, Italian seasoning, and red pepper flakes, and some sugar. The first thing we're gonna do is make our salad dressing. Now, I'm gonna let you know that everything that I'm talking about today is actually half of the recipe. The full quantity and the full recipe is listed in the description box, but since it's just the two of us, I'm gonna make half. So we're gonna start with 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and to that, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I have 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon of the juice from the jar that the pepperoncinis were in. I have 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and then I have some Italian seasoning and crushed red pepper flakes. It's 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. So we'll go ahead and mix that up. If you want to omit the sugar, you absolutely can. I just like how a little bit of sweetness kind of counteracts and balances out the acidity from the vinegar. So here we have just a nice creamy kind of Italian vinaigrette. So I'm gonna let that sit over there, and then let's go ahead and we're going to shred the lettuce. Now, the one thing that I really like about the grinder sandwich when you get it at the deli is the lettuce is just finely shredded, and I think that makes the sandwich so good, and I also like it that way for the salad. So I'm gonna use a mandolin, which is just kind of like a blade cutter. If you don't have one, you can absolutely use a knife and just get it as thin as you can. But this just makes quick work. You just have to be really careful. And then when you get close down towards the end, you do want to use the blade protector, because you don't want to get your fingers into that blade because it is super sharp. And then these big pieces we'll just take out, and I will just cut them up really fine with a knife afterwards. So this is the lettuce that is left that didn't make it through the microplane, just because it's all loose and it is kind of difficult to get it all. So just stack it up and carefully just run your knife through it as finely as you possibly can. And I find the best way to do that, I don't know if you could see, but I leave the tip of my knife on the cutting board and just kind of rock it back and forth and just move it ever so slightly. And then when you get close to your fingers, kind of pull them in so you can hold the rest of the food, kind of pin it down to the board. Okay. And you know, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it is just nice and shredded. So to our salad bowl, now we're going to add 1/2 can of garbanzo beans, and I rinsed and drained them. I have 1/2 cup of cherry tomatoes that I sliced in half. And then using that mandolin, I also sliced the red onion, because that is something that I also really like about the salads, is they just have this really finely shredded red onion. I may not use all of this. My husband's not a big fan. but I definitely like some in there. I'll just do that. And then half a can of sliced black olives. And then this is about a 1/3 cup of pepperoncinis that I just sliced really, really thin. And that's the pepperoncinis where I got the juice that went into the dressing. So just give this a light toss. If you want it heavier on the veggies and everything, you can absolutely add as much as you want. Okay, at this point, I'm gonna add the dressing. So we'll just pour all of that on, and then that give that a nice, good coating. And then finally, well, not finally, because I have one more step. We have half a cup of sliced provolone cheese that I just chopped up really small, along with some Genoa salami. Then Parmesan cheese. This is a microplane. If you've been around here, you know this is one of my most used and favorite kitchen tools. I use it for cheese, zesting lemons and limes or oranges. You can grate nutmeg with it. I use it all the time. And this is one of those things, you know, like just stop when it feels right. And then you can add a little more on top. Okay, I think we need some fresh cracked pepper. Here we have our completed Italian grinder salad. Now, let me tell you, it smells just like the deli and it looks amazing. I went ahead and just shaved a little bit more fresh Parmesan on top. I added a couple croutons, and now we're gonna go in and give it a try. You can see all the bits of salami, the garbanzo beans, and the olives and onions. It tastes exactly like that sandwich, but without all the heaviness of the bread. So this is just a fantastic recipe. I do have a couple things I want to let you know. One is if you wanted to put this into a wrap, that would be great. And two, if you want this to be as crisp and fresh as possible, I would go ahead and serve it immediately after putting on the dressing. Anyway, that's all I have for today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit the like button, consider subscribing, and I will be back next week with another recipe from my kitchen.